Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, connect your smartphone to the PC using the USB cable. After that, you're gonna have to turn your device off by pressing the power button and volume down key at the same time until this menu pop-ups on your screen. Then select power off and enter your password to confirm. And once your device turns off, you're gonna have to press and hold the volume up key and the power button simultaneously, and then release the power button once you see the Samsung logo on your smartphone screen. But keep holding down the volume up button until you see the recovery mode on your display. In this mode, you can navigate using up and down arrow keys and select with the power button. To exit, select Reboot System Now and wait until your device is restarted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.